Hello everyone and welcome back. I finally finished my typewriter hanging basket today. Finally got that done. But let me zoom the camera back a little bit. But I used the keys out of an old typewriter that I got out of the Salvation Army, and for the decorative center on these discs. These discs are all 1 3/4 inch in diameter, and I used a hole saw to cut them out. And the bottom there is like a serving tray that I got from St. Vincent's for about $3. The material that all these discs are made out of is made out of slideshow projectors, movie projectors that I cut apart and used a hole saw to fab all these pieces with. The top is the base of a brass candlestick, candlestick holder. But I made this little pin right in here. I put that's made out of solid brass, and put that on the rotary table on the mill and machined that part out. But well, let's see. I drilled approximately about 210 holes, I think, and got about 300 solid copper jump rings in here. But what you see on the back side of these discs, it looks a little black right there. That's actually acrylic caulking. I had to put some caulking over here because the back side of these keys was a little bit sharp, and I tried everything to try to get it blended down so it wasn't sharp, but it was too hard to hold these pieces to really grind them down, because I got one of them too darn hot and it just burst into flames. It was some weird plastic I think they must have started using back in the 1930s or something. I don't know what it is, but I used just about every key on the typewriter inside of here, and tried to get as much multicolored discs as I could, but I'm rather proud of that. It took me a long time to make it. Well, I also work a dozen other projects all at the same time too, so I'll give you a quick look up and down on it. But those large steel rings right there are actually rings off of a curtain rod that I recycled those to use those again. And give you a bit of a close-up here. Okay, that's about it. I'm rather proud of that. I like the way that turned out. It's got all the numbers and all the letters on it on the typewriter that was possible to salvage. Thank you much for watching. Have a great day.